Hello everyone. In my last video, I replaced the differential fluid, transfer case fluid, and the engine oil on my 2018 Jeep Rubicon JL. Today, we're tackling a brake service, including replacing the brake fluid. Let's get started. Now I'm done with the engine oil, differential oil, transfer case fluid, and the next step is going to be on the tires and the brakes. So I will do a brake service, brake pad service, bleed the brake fluid, and rotate the tires. First, I tested the bottle jack I kept in my Jeep, but I never used it before. Good thing I tested it at home. I discovered a major limitation. My lifted Jeep sits too high for the jack to work safely. Lessons learned: if you rely on this jack for roadside repairs, you need to carry some wood blocks for extra height. Auto jack there, I got. Yep, much easier. There are two caliper bolts here and here. And in order to remove it, this one should not rotate with it. There you go. These two bolts hold the brake caliper in place. So once the bolt's removed, then you can move this out of the way. So remove the bolts. I do that, clean both of them. Here's another funny story. When you order things online, I thought it was 99 cents a bottle. I didn't realize it's $99 the whole box. This will my whole life, several lives worth of brake pad lubricant in this. So I got this silicone lubricating compound and Loctite. After cleaning the caliper pins and rubber boots, lubricate them with a ceramic grease and put them back in. Now we're done with the first part of the basic brake service. Let's work on the pads now. Yeah, just press it out. There you go. It comes out. It's a brake pad. Let's see if we can remove this. Yeah. These clips are too old. I need to replace them next time because they cause a squeaking noise when I hit the brake at a low speed. I don't have a new one, so I'm just put this old one in, clean up, put it back in. So apply the grease here. 99 bucks grease. Lubricate the brake pad ears and the back of the pad where the piston presses the pad. Then put them back in. There you go. Okay. I also apply some blue Loctite on the caliper bolts before I put them back in, and tighten the bolts to 27 foot-pounds. 13 millimeter, 27 foot-pounds. There are 2 pads per wheel. Repeat the same process for all 8 pads. Normally that will complete a basic brake service, but I'm also doing tire rotation and I bleed the fluid. So I'm juggling 3 tasks into one workflow. This looks like a bleeding port to me. Working on brake fluid always makes me nervous because there's a warning everywhere, every step of the way. So I'm gonna first drain the master cylinder, then I'll start to bleed the rear brakes. This is the handy dandy vacuum tool I'm gonna use. I've used it once before. I think it's already paid for itself, and now I'm using it on the Jeep. So I think it's a good deal. I don't remember the price. I would say $50. I don't know. So this is what I'm going to try this time. I'll put a plastic cover. Here's the tool. Oh, this is the filter. All right. Now it should just come up. There you go. Now, so I'm gonna empty this. Does it look dirty? Not too bad. Let's see here. It's not up here. Okay, good thing I didn't spill this time. Maybe the camera can take a look, see if it's empty. This is that was 3 and 4. It's weird. It's not 4, I know. It tends to be higher than 3. I know 3 is good enough. Going by gut feeling, I don't have any documentation or instruction. This looks like the drain port. This is a 11 millimeter. I can try to watch this area, whether the fluid is clean or not. I can't tell the difference. Alrighty, I think this is it. I'm gonna show. I call this clean. I don't know the torque. I just tightened it up randomly. So this is how much I drained. Alrighty. So I'll say 1 done, 3 to go. Same process. Move on to the second wheel. Make sure fill up the master cylinder before bleeding the brake on each wheel. Yeah, I can tell it's dirty, but I believe if I pour this out, vacuum more, and we'll see the new one is cleaner. So that means I got a clean fluid. Look at this. I think this is the clean one. I put everything back together. While at it, I also did the tire rotation. Apparently the power steering fluid is low. It's below minimum. But I probably need 1 spoonful. But if you go buy, the least you can buy is, what, 16 ounce. That's like $33 or something. I really don't like it, but either leave it low or add 1 spoonful for $33. I don't believe there's anything special about adding power steering fluid. I'm just gonna pour some in. Am I a little over max? Yeah, tiny bit. Hope it's not a problem. Jeep must be thirsty. Everything appears to be just tiny bit below minimum. If I look at this overflow tank, it's slightly a few ounces below minimum, I believe. I got this whole gallon of coolant concentrate. I only need like a couple ounces. Mix a few ounces of coolant here. Let me pour it in. Every kind of fluid is topped off for this Jeep. This is engine oil, transmission fluid, differential fluid, transfer case fluid, power steering fluid, even windshield wiper fluid. I top it off. And there's brake fluid and coolant. I think this Jeep is ready to roll. Thanks for watching. A little bit more. Ah! Wow. Spill everywhere. Oh, you try to be careful. So we just wash it off. With some water. I hope it's not too bad. There's not a whole lot I can do.